Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today we'll teach you how to turn off the Play Protect in your Play Store. Maybe recently you tried to install any app or any app like outside the Play Store, but you find out the Play Protect may pop up, and the next thing you realize your app is not even allowed to be installed in your phone. And also, even if you later installed maybe when offline, Play Store will uninstall your app automatically. So what you have to do before installing any app outside the Play Store, come to Play Protect Play Store. Then when you open, come here, touch here on your top, your icon, name icon. Then scroll down to Play Protect. Then if you're real, these apps I downloaded them outside the Play Store because they are not published on Play Store. So you see, even our Bingo Automate app was uninstalled by Play Store because they think it's harmful or fake, and they even uninstalled it. So what we should do now is we have to reinstall, but we have to turn off the Play Protect, like keep it off always. So tap on your setting icon, then you see this first option. We must turn it off. Then click turn off. You'll be required to enter your password or scan your fingerprint. Now I've scanned it now, so ensure it's always off like that. After that, you may now go to you download your apps. Mine, I downloaded it from Telegram and saved it to my files downloads. So let me go, and the app is in my Play Store. Telegram. So I have the app on my Telegram. So let me install it. Package installer just once, and then I click install. Now our app is installed. Just ignore this one, and so our app is installed. And remember, our app is not in the Bingo Automate. It's not from, I downloaded it from Telegram, not Play Store. Yeah, it is now installed. So any app, ensure you, and remember that if you always turn your Play Protect, you can see that right now we installed it, but if we maybe turn on the Play Protect, it will automatically uninstall the app. So just keep it always off. Yeah, thanks for watching, and if you have any question, please leave us the comments and I will reply to them. And if you haven't subscribed to our channel, please subscribe and share our video, like, and even turn on your notification bell. Let's meet on the next video because I'll be making more videos. Thanks for watching.